What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So if you are new here, my name is Amar. I have an R1, so I go by Amar1, and we have got another 370Z video today. So if you've been following the build, I'll post somewhere over here the other video, but I have this extra 370Z trunk that I purchased to go on the vehicle because I bought an aftermarket spoiler and I don't want to put that spoiler or drill that spoiler onto the trunk that came with the car. So my idea was buy this used one and then keep the other one stock in case I sell the car in the future. But as you guys can see, because this was a salvaged trunk and in a junkyard, it is really not in good condition. So what we are going to do is use the pressure washer, which if you want to see the unboxing of that, I'll link that somewhere up here. I'm gonna use the pressure washer to go ahead and clean off the trunk. So as you guys can see, I've sort of set up a little station, I guess is what you could call it, an elevated station, so that way I could actually clean the trunk. We are going to move the used trunk on top of the little setup I have right here, and then we'll do like a cool edit with the pressure washer, with the water and the foam, and we will look at some before and afters. So yeah, let's jump into it. All right, so as you guys can see, we have got the trunk moved onto this little platform that I've jerry-rigged with 2 tires and a container. So what I do need to do is, these wires right here are just exposed and I don't want to get water on them. So I think what I'm going to do is take like a Ziploc bag and cover it up to here, like a gallon Ziploc bag, and then just, I don't know, I guess like use some tape to secure it and just keep it tucked back here. So that way these don't get wet. What this person who sold it, the company that sold it, did a pretty cool little thing right here where they just cut the wire right here and you can just pop this thing off. And so yeah, water shouldn't get in there. So let me see, there you guys go. So that's the part I want to keep safe. So we'll keep that on and then we'll use a Ziploc bag and tie these things back, and then we'll go ahead and get to washing. All right, so we have got the electrical wiring harnesses, whatever they're called, plugs, zip-locked up. And if I had zip ties, that would have been better, but I just used some, whatever that was called, some packing tape to go ahead and make a tight seal. So yeah, we are gonna go ahead and get the pressure washer set up. And yeah, we'll do some cool edits, some cool music, and water and foam this thing up. So see you guys then. All right, guys, so I'm using this mega drying towel to sort of finish up on the trunk here, and it's getting late, so that was a lot of filming. So hopefully that edit was sick, because I was shooting in like cinematic mode and also using like different cameras. So yeah, but the trunk overall looks okay. So the issue that I'm running into is, let me flip the camera. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, you can definitely see all that right there. So no matter how hard I scrubbed, I think that's just like haze from what I think it is fingerprints based off the location. And since this was in a junkyard, I think just the oil residue from someone's hand just baked in the Florida sun, because that's where it was, and it's just left all of these marks. Like right there, you can see it's like fingerprints. And I mean, I went in like this, it wouldn't come off. So I'm gonna hire someone to do a paint correction before I throw it on my car, because it would stick out like a sore thumb. There's no sort of hazing on my paint. So yeah, hopefully that edit was sick. I do also need to do the underneath part of the trunk, but that's not gonna really be as cool, so there's no point in filming that. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and yeah, catch you guys on the next one. And also, by the way, if you didn't watch my last video where I opened up that Nismo spoiler, go ahead and watch that one, because this trunk is going to be the one that gets that spoiler. So somewhere on the screen there should be a link or a little like time card, whatever it's called, square, rectangle, to watch that video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.